Pete here at Werx 45 out at Utah Motorsports Campus. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Techflex ThermaShield. The Techflex ThermaShield comes in different lengths and widths, and today we're going to be working with the 6 7/8 width. Applying your Techflex ThermaShield is as easy as applying a sticker. We're just going to clean the surface with a little isopropyl alcohol, peel the backing off the ThermaShield, and apply it to our surface. Some of our favorite applications for the Techflex ThermaShield here in the Werx 45 shop are exhaust heat shields and turbo heat shields. Thanks for watching our video today on how to install the Techflex ThermaShield. Make sure you check out our other how-to videos on the website.